So we are trying to create a box plot. We're not going to have to graph it, but we do need to find all of this information. So step one over here says put the numbers in order and find the range. So we're going to rewrite these numbers as 25, 38, 39, 40, 45, or 44, 45, 49, and 53. Okay. What's going to be a little different for this one? So first, on your assignment today, I would want you to write the word range. And the range is simply taking your largest minus your smallest. So if anyone's working along with me, what is 53 minus 25? Yeah, 28. Okay. Next, we're going to find the median. So that's not new. You're going to go and work your way in. Here's the difference. So if you weren't in here when we went through this, you need to kind of make this example. This number, the median falls between both 40 and 44. So you add them up, divide by 2, and your median is, 40 and 44, so it's 42. What I tell students to do is write it, circle it, and then don't use it. So kids want to know, should I use these? Yes. Because this is your median, we're saying we've used that, but now you still want to use the 40 and you want to use the 44. The next thing we're going to solve for is called your Q1, which is basically finding the median of the first set of numbers. So you find your median, it falls between these two, and you would have 38.5. Okay, we're going to move down farther. Now we need to find our Q3, which is basically the median of the higher numbers. So it falls between the 45 and the 49. So halfway between would be what? Okay? All right. Next we need to do something called the IQR. IQR, and this is your interquartile range. So it's basically finding the range of the two quartiles. You're taking your Q3 minus your Q1. So we're taking 47 minus 38.5. And what is our IR? Anyone know? 8.5. Okay. This number will be important because to find what we call our limits, we need to take this and multiply it by 1.5. So if you want to go ahead and do that, 8.5 times 1.5. You can use a calculator. Anyone get that? Give me a second. 8.5 times 1.5. 12.75. 12.75. We're going to finish this up before you guys leave. So 12.75. This is super important. You don't need to actually write it in this list. But what you need to do is you need to add it to your upper quartile and subtract it from your lower quartile. So you're going to take your lower quartile and do 38.5 minus the 12.75. Get that answer. You're going to take your upper quartile of 47 plus the 12.75. Can anyone give me those two different numbers? Did anyone do that yet? Do you have it from your paper? Does anyone have it? Do you have it in front? 59.75. 25.75. This is what we call your limit. So you have 25.75 and 59.75. The question is, are there any outliers? Are there any numbers less than this or higher than this? Yes. 25. The number 25 is considered an outlier. Okay.